Ayan. Okay, jump. Yan, balik mo kagad doon sa gilid ng mga. Para pag yung kalabaw mo bigla ng tampal, hindi ka nakakover ka. Okay, jump. Jump. Straight. Jump straight. Jump straight. Double jump. Straight. Jump straight. Straight. Double jump. Straight. Jump straight. Straight. Okay.
Yan si Isa, ang tapang. Humanda kayo pag natuto na yan. Uppercutting kayo niyan.
Yun. Yan. Left side. Uppercut.
First day yan, ha? First day pa lang yan.
Uppercut. 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 Okay, watch the floor. Okay, move. Move. Left move. Ayan. Left move. 1, 2. Right move. 1, 2. 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 Left move. 1, 2. 1. Okay, boxing form. Okay, combination to ha. Okay. Jump. Okay, uppercut. Okay, ito na. Uppercut. Isa na. Hook, isa. Okay. Uppercut, isa. Hook, isa. Straight, isa. Okay, uppercut, hook, straight. 1, 2, 3. Load. Uppercut, 1, 2, 3. Okay, last. 1, 2, 3. Okay, right na. Yeah.
Ano masasabi mo?
Oh. Hindi na yung turuan eh.